today was our soil delivery day from our distributor. He always brings us a pallet of soil a couple times a year. This is the soil that I use in my microgreens business where I grow the microgreens for my customers. This is also the soil that we use to rebag and put it in the microgreen grow kit. So we use the best germination mix. It's high quality, really good stuff. It's called Sun Grow. I'll write down in the description box the specs for the Sun Grow that we use. If you're interested, if you're just a small at-home grower and you don't have a big distributor that you could get Sun Grow through, I do have another video showing some different brands of soil you can use, so I'll link that here. Go ahead and check that out. Okay, we got the soil all loaded up on the tray, and now we are stacking it out in the shed.
Loaded up on the tray?
On a tray?
Yeah.
We loaded it up on the trailer. And these sheep are hungry. Busy day already. We hit the road this morning early to get something really fun for the farm. We're gonna make a video of that later. And we did have to rush back to meet the soil guy for the delivery. So I'm glad these came just in time because tomorrow's plant day and I think I was down to 1 bag of soil, and it's time to fill our microgreen grow kit orders. If you haven't checked out our microgreen kits yet, please go to barefootmicrogreens.com. Check them out. We also offer seed reorders. We have a new variety of seed that just put on our online store, and we have produce knives. So go check it out, barefootmicrogreens.com. Okay guys, this is a really quick and short video. I just wanted to show you a little behind the scenes, what goes on here with the microgreens business. And since you stayed tuned to the very end, we're gonna give you a little sneak peek of what we were up to today.
All right, here's a sneak peek of what we did this morning. We left bright and early this morning. Drove, I don't know, a couple hours to get this little beauty here.
We're in here.
We have some wild and crazy animals in here.
We're doing the last to leave. And we're also making a video in here, so.
For your YouTube channel?
Yep.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Off the rails.
Yeah, off the rails.
Off the rails. And you're going to be in this chicken coop for 24 hours?
Possibly.
What all do you have in there?
Not much.
3 games, some water.
Some snacks?
No. No snacks.
Is there any timeouts, or is it just 24 no matter
If you have to go
what?
to the bathroom.
That's the only exception?
Yeah.
If it's number 1, then no, you can't.
You have to hold it?
She's got to go right out the door.
Yep. But if it's, yeah.
If it's number 2,
then you can go, because
right.
that would suck.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe to our videos.
And share.
Bye.